Hey everyone, if you are tired of getting constant Gmail notifications on your phone and want some peace and quiet, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off Gmail notifications in just a few quick steps. Let's get started. First, open up the Gmail app. Once you are in, tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings. This will open up your Gmail settings menu. Under your account settings, look for notifications. Once you find it, tap on it. Here you will see options like all, high priority only, or none. To stop notifications completely, tap on none and tap on done. And that's it. You have successfully turned off notifications for Gmail. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop any questions in the comments below if you have any. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.